Hey guys, this is Anthony at Airstream at DFW, coming to you from our 45,000 square foot indoor showroom. We're going to talk about the big one today. This is it, the flagship of everything Airstream builds, the 2020 Airstream Classic. This trailer is 31 foot 3 inches from front to back. It's 9 foot 6.5 inches tall, weighs about 8,000 pounds dry. It's 10,000 pounds gross, so it's a little heavier than some of the other Airstreams, but still towable by most of your 3/4 ton vehicles. You don't need something really large. Everything is standard on the Classic trailers, so there is no option. So everything that we're going to talk about today is going to come standard. 270 watts of solar, that's standard. 40-pound propane tanks. The power awning. The window awning package on the other side. Power stabilizer jacks. It also comes with the 16-inch wheels and tires, so you get a little bit bigger wheel and tire versus the smaller Airstreams that are out there. So let's step inside and take a look around. So when you step inside, the first thing you're going to notice about the Classic is this massive living space. It's a little different than the other Airstreams, even the 30-foot Flying Cloud, for instance. They really designed these Classics to be more residential in comparison to some of the other lines that are out there. Nice, big, spacious area, lots of storage overhead. And you're also going to notice the cabinets are a little bit different in the Classic. They go with a hardwood hand-stained cabinet in the Classic. Gives it a little bit more of a home feel. Guys, now we're in the kitchen of the 30-foot Classic, and the first thing you're going to notice is it's got a lot of countertop space. Starting from the extension here on the end, you're working your way down. Nice big single bowl sink with Corian covers. Again, Corian countertops through the whole trailer. There's no other countertops anywhere in the trailer, just the Corian. A lot of residential style features. I mentioned that before, that they really try to make this trailer into a home. So faucets like you would see in a regular residential home. Moving on down, lots of countertop space. Convection microwave, standard on the Airstream Classic, so no upgrade there. Your only option is the convection microwave, so 2 devices in one. Flush mount cooktop cover, as well as nice 3-burner cooktop. This cooktop's a little different than what they put in the other Airstream models. It's a little easier to clean. There's nowhere for things to fall. Easier to control the temperature on it as well. This particular model has 2 drawers here, but if you're somebody who likes to camp off the grid and you want a gas oven, that is available in the Classic. And again, it's not a pay option. It's just what's your preference? Do you want the 2 drawers here, or would you rather have a gas oven? We can do that. Moving on over here, you'll see smart television. That's standard in the Classic. So if you want to take on the road and watch your Netflix and your Hulu and binge all those TV shows while you're traveling, you can do that with this television. C-Zone. So on the Classic, the controls are a little different than the other Airstreams. It's what they call multiplex wiring. So you have a touchscreen control for all your lighting, all your HVAC. Everything is controlled from this. There's also a smart RV component that we'll talk about here in a little bit. And again, your dinette here. So if you do have somebody staying with you, the dinette can be used as a bed. It also has an adjustable top. So when you put this down into a bed, it's really simple, for one. But two, if you want to work while you're on the road, if you work at a laptop while you're on the road, you can adjust this table to where it's a more comfortable height for you. Now that we're in the hall, you're going to see the refrigerator, which is really one of the nice things about the Classic. Is it's the biggest refrigerator of all the Airstream lines. It's 9 cubic foot. It's got plenty of space for all those things you want to take with you. So again, the idea behind the Classic is a trailer that you can go very long term in. You can stay in for several months at a time if you want to. With all this extra space, that gives you the ability to do that. You also got a nice big pantry in this trailer, sliding pantry. So lots of storage in the kitchen, but that storage doesn't stop there, because you've got this storage here in the pantries for all the canned goods, the bottles, the things that you need to take with you. You've got space for that. Nice big wardrobe. So when you come over here, you'll see double door wardrobe. Again, plenty of space for lots of gear when you're going down the road. Cedar lined, so helps keep everything fresh. You don't have that musty issue that you sometimes get with an RV. And you do also have a small safe inside the closet as well. So let's step into the bathroom. Here on my left, you're going to see your shower. It's nice and large. Again, residential style fixtures inside of it. And one of the unique things about the shower on the Classic is because of the heater system they use, this Aldi system they use, it actually heats the shower floor. So on those really cold mornings when you want to step into the shower, it keeps your feet nice and toasty. Across from the shower, you also have your laboratory area. So really large area. Again, Corian countertops through the entire trailer. One of the things you're really going to like about this bathroom, and one of the things people frequently don't like about bathrooms and Airstreams, is the small sinks. You have a very large sink in that bathroom. Of course, porcelain stool, lots of storage, and again, referencing that Aldi heating system, it also heats your towel bar. So you're going to have a nice warm towel when you go to dry off. Full length mirror on the door. I know a lot of people complain about not enough mirrors in their Airstreams. Well, with the Classic, you get a full length mirror here on the door. All right guys, now we're in your bedroom of your Airstream. A couple of unique things that come with the Classic that don't come with some of the other trailers. One is going to be the mattress they use in the Classic. It is a tuft and needle latex style mattress. So it's something, again, very residential, something you would see in a regular home. It's a very comfortable mattress. It's going to support you and be of good use for years. The mattress also, or the bed also tilts back and forth. So if you would like to read in bed, if you like to have your head tilted up a little bit more while you're sleeping, you've got the ability to do that in the Classic. That's something unique. This trailer is also available twin beds, so if you'd rather have the twin bed set up, you can get that in your Classic also. Lots of storage in the bedroom. You got all these cabinets overhead. Again, hardwood, hand rub, hand stained cabinets, something that's very unique to the Classic. You also have lots of storage underneath the bed as well. You can either lift the bed up, but you also have storage in the form of drawers underneath the bed. Nightstands on both sides. Both nightstands have USB connections as well as 110 ports. And with the inverter that's on this trailer, if you do need to run something like a CPAP machine, you can do that off the battery on this trailer. One final thing you may notice here in the bedroom is what looks like radiators along the exterior. So something we really haven't talked about is the way that the Classic is heated in comparison to some of the other Airstreams. So the Classic uses a very unique system. It's an Aldi radiator system. So if you like a very consistent heat through your trailer, which who doesn't, you get a very consistent heat front to back. It's also virtually silent when it runs. So some people don't like when their gas furnace comes on, that whoosh, that jet engine sound that you get. You're not going to get that with this Aldi system. So let's now step forward and we're going to take a look at that Smart RV system that I mentioned earlier. The Smart RV system is something that's unique to the Classic line of trailers here at Airstream. It does two things for you while you're on the road. Number one is it's going to give you a constant internet connection no matter where you are. It's provided through AT&T, so as long as you have availability to AT&T service, your Classic has internet connectivity. That comes with a router too, so you can connect those things like the Apple TVs, the Rokus, the laptops, the game systems. You're going to have connectivity for all those things while you're on the road without the need to hotspot your phone or carry an extra device with you. The other component to that Smart RV system is going to be an application that you can run on your phone, whether it's Apple or Google. It will control a lot of the aspects of your trailer, so lighting, heating and air conditioning, your inverter, your awning. And what's cool about that is it's not a proximity system. You don't have to be close to this trailer for those things to work. So say you park your trailer somewhere and you're out several miles away and you forget to turn your air conditioner on, you can do that from your phone. Say you're out camping and you don't remember whether or not you've got propane tanks, or whether your propane tanks are full while you're out. You can check those while you're on the road as well. Well guys, there it is. That's the 2020 Airstream Classic. Again, Airstream's flagship trailer. Doesn't get any better than that. But if that trailer's not right for you, don't let that stop you from coming out and seeing us. We're here in our 45,000 square foot showroom. We've got floor plans from 16 foot all the way up to 33 foot. So if this trailer's not right for you, just come visit us. We're just 5 miles east of downtown Fort Worth. Thank you again for watching.